girl Tiffany, and welcome back to Believe It or Not. Girl, have y'all been following the Young Thug court trial? It is a circus, okay? The prosecutors is yelling at the judge is yelling at the prosecutor, the defense is yelling at the judge is yelling at the defense. All of it is all towed up. But yet the wild Young Thug is just sitting there looking like, if y'all just don't dismiss this case and get me up out of here, okay? Because it is a circus. But before we get into this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified of all the news and entertainment and everything in between that happens here on Believe It or Not. So let's get into this circus of a video, girl, because I was just like, what in the hell is going on, okay?
We're about to discuss a slideshow.
Focus. We ain't got to that yet.
All right.
Focus. I'm focusing on your behavior at this point in time. I'm not saying to you that the information is not any less invalid, but it's the timing that's a problem.
And let me tell you what's going down right here, okay? What's going on is the judge has always been asking for information, transcripts, and anything that you want to put into the record. You need to let me know ahead of time, and we need to discuss this so we can get it on the record. But these clowns keep on coming to this courtroom trying to put stuff on a record 5 minutes before the case starts, okay? Before the trial even starts, okay? And the trial has been going on, but every time they introduce some new evidence, it's not at the appropriate time. So this judge is going off on everybody. Let's get back to it because I want to see.
Problem, and since you
wouldn't think that we would be admitting these things, but since I've seen these things, these statements, these out-of-court statements being admitted, I've taken it upon myself. A couple weeks ago, you said to us, please flag things in advance. I took that to heart.
This is not in advance. This is not in advance. This is like, we got a jury sitting here. You all didn't get here at 1 o'clock. I told you to be here at 12:30.
Look at Young Thug. He's sitting there like, what the hell is going on? He can't say shit because this is all about him and all the chaos that he caused in the streets allegedly. But watch when a persecutor get up, girl. I know that you were here early, and I know why you were here early.
Okay.
So, but focus. The focus is on why didn't we file this stuff months ago, and let's wind it out and air it out at that point in time. Okay. So I'm going to ask the state their issue on this. Are you?
And here she go, Mrs. Love. I think her last name is Love. She's finna come up here and they finna have a screaming match, okay? Check this out.
Are you cutting this out? Did you have discussions with Mr. Sharp? Madam?
We did have discussions.
When?
Well, this morning.
That's too late. The evidence is excluded. The evidence is excluded. I'm going to exclude because I told you that this was going to happen.
We reached out to
them. No. We're excluding that, and I'm going to exclude the PowerPoint that you all submitted.
This is a circus, but I get what the judge is saying. Y'all can't just keep on bringing in evidence and thinking that I'm just going to put it on record every 5 seconds when we haven't discussed this. Everything I've been trying to tell y'all, he been trying to tell them, is to let's do this ahead of time. Not when we have a jury that's supposed to come in 5 seconds. You want me to introduce this information to them? No, we supposed to go through the proper procedures. And this, girl.
Well, you're not gonna wholesale introduce it.
We had no intention. Your Honor,
all right.
Let me just be real clear. We did not
here we go.
Introduce that PowerPoint today. I have personally reached out via telephone and called at least 2 members of the defense team and asked them to call me back. And I would like
but you all should not be identifying this stuff the moment of trial while the jury's sitting in a box. This is the last. I am not gonna tolerate this any further. If you don't get together with your colleagues.
And see, this is not the first time he has told this lady that. When this trial first began, I don't know, months and months ago, they've been pulling the same shit that they have not got none of their evidences. Every time they want to bring a witness in, it's at the drop of a dime. They never tell the judge ahead of time. They're just bringing all types of people in and not even putting them on record. This is all chaotic, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you want this trial to be dismissed because it is really a circus.
issues and resolve them promptly. And if I have to take them up, remember, I can exclude them, we'll work the weekends, or we'll do a combination of both. So this time, I'm gonna exclude those two sections.
John, Mr. Atkins, he confronted this witness with those sections. I last week let them know that we were introducing that.
If the exhibit's not ready and you haven't made, and you, no. Well, Mr. Shart's got objections to it.
But Judge, Mr. Sharp can get in and have our evidence excluded every day that he makes an objection
No.
at midnight, and then comes in and says.
Well, then you all should have gotten your stuff together before then. Summon our juries, please. Summon our.
He said, some of the juries, I ain't even listening to this bullshit because y'all should have got together and discussed what y'all was going to put in or take out. But then you want to get in front of me at the last minute thinking that I'm just going to push everything through. You think I'm a dummy. Girl, this is just a circus. Why don't they just dismiss this case?
Juries, have a seat, madam. Have a seat. You better exclude that. And next time, make sure you're prepared. Make sure you're prepared next time. I'm not going to do this anymore. I'm just not. We are starting right now. It's 1:20. So
we have talked to them. We have said we don't agree.
Then file a motion and get it before me, and we'll take it up. Both of you all have.
I would have told her both of y'all are out of order, and I should kick this trial out right now because I am tired of y'all bull crap. It has been going on for months. They wasn't even ready to bring these charges against this, what's his name? Young thug. Allegedly, he's been in the streets pilling and killing and drug and all types of crap that you ain't supposed to be doing in the streets that your mama should have kicked your ass for. But allegedly, that's what he did. So now his ass in court. But it seemed like in court is a circus too. I don't know what's going to happen with this.
Responsibility to do that.
Admissible. The information they are seeking.
Oh, it's going to be admissible right now.
I'm saying, Judge, that you said to file a motion. There's nothing.
I am not gonna have any.
And what kind of prosecutor that goes back and forth with the judge? This is anarchy. It is all out of order. This ain't court. This is court TV. This is something that you put on for a reality show. Okay, it doesn't seem real.
I'm not going to have any more discussion about this, madam. I'm not.
Talked to them this morning
I don't.
About that.
Well, you know what?
And I attempted to try to talk to them earlier this week.
Well, then that's why we have to.
You understand the court punishes the state because the defense.
I'm not punishing anybody, but but prior preparation prevents poor performance.
Be prepared, Judge. That's why I sent them last week, a whole week.
See, they have not been prepared, and I think this judge is just sick of it. He's been screaming at these fools since it started.
Half ago, 2 weeks, Your
I'm
Honor.
not. Well,
and I have said I would like to discuss.
Our jury's coming in, madam.
Shut up. The jury's coming in. Have a seat. She finna sit her ass down, is she? Look, take your ass, sit your ass down, because the jury is coming in. Have y'all been following this case? Because this is crazy. I will let y'all know the next update and the next screaming match between the judge and everybody else when it comes up, okay? But my question is to you. Do you believe it or not? Do you believe that this judge should throw this case out? Or do you think that he should keep going on with this circus? If so, hit me down in the comment section. If not, let me know in the comment section and we can chop it up. Because right here, this circus is crazy. And if you have not already subscribed to the video or to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified of all the news and entertainment and everything in between that happens here on Believe It or Not. That was the video. Peace.